What's good with it, y'all? Your boy is back again. Man, I hope you guys enjoyed that last video I posted with my boy Sean. That video was actually made a long time ago. I just had it sitting there, so I was like, you know what, I might as well post something. It's been 5 months, so I was like, fuck it, I'm about to just post this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed that last video. Today, I'm gonna link up with my boy AJ, and we're pretty much just gonna drive out to some spots where we could take pictures and good videos, Instagram Reels, you know, YouTube Shorts. But the main thing about this video is it's gonna be a point of view video of me driving my 2021 Mustang GT 10-speed. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I don't have much done to it, but I'll keep everything listed down in the description. So if you guys want to see like what I have done to the car, go ahead and, you know, take a look down there, and you'll see exactly what I have done to the car. But I will be coming out with a video kind of just walking through my whole car real soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned on that. Make sure you hit notifications for your boy. Other than that, let's go ahead and get into the video. This is my point of view. Yay! That bike is fat. Woo. If I wasn't able to downshift this car while going like fast, like coming to a fast stop, there'd be no way I'd be able to stop this car in time. Being able to downshift definitely helps out a lot. Look at this nice view. That was a really nice drive right there. It's crazy, that bike was pretty fast. I was very surprised that I somewhat like kept up with it. Look at this beauty. Get the bags for the video. Bags, 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 bags. Oh, that sounded nice. Gotta love the Corsa axle, Corsa catback. Corsa catback. Lower than me. I'm about to drive a Mach-E. My boy AJ's gonna hop in the back. He's gonna get some rollers of his car. The window too small or what? Yeah. Oh, shit, dude. Are you go left or right?
No, left.
Left? Okay. Is she ready? Those look fire, dude. I can see it in the mirror. Holy shit.
I just hate when there's cars behind. Fuck this shit.
Should we, I'm gonna find a spot where we can pull over. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. The curves look nice. I'm trying to find a spot where I can pull over to the side. I don't think we're gonna find one at any one of these points. Unless we speed up, kind of lose the car. My GoPro pretty much died on me while I was driving the Mach-E, so I just finally got the battery in. We're moving pretty quickly. We're actually getting videos of my car, or not videos, but some roller pictures of my car right now. That's AJ. His girlfriend is driving the Mach-E. AJ's getting the pictures. thinks I'm gonna crash. Alright, you guys, so that will be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure you like and comment. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to your boy. Till next time, peace.